Victory screech! Victory! I hope you all know what the victory is, but I'll tell you just in case. We Chiefs have just won the Super Bowl. I'm so happy. Here, let me record another one. I know it's super dark, I'm sorry. Are they setting off anymore? Well, I think some might be going off behind us. Oh, they're so loud. Oh. Nope, no more? Well, it's still crazy. No, I don't see any, but I definitely hear it. Here, let me go to my back door. Here, let me just open the door. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come check these ones out! One second, let me call my fam. Oh, focus. Just right here on my back porch watching fireworks. Oh, I hear so much yelling. Just saw a reflection. This is crazy. No more? Oh, they're so loud. Here, let me go back up front. Any here? Oh, there. There we go. I like the looks of that one. This is so cool. I really hope you guys are as excited as I am. This is insane. And it's only our second one. Don't feel bad for the 49ers. They've had 5 Super Bowl wins. This is our second. Can you believe it? Alright. I'm gonna go back outside or on my porch one last time. Any more back here? I hear lots of noise. I don't see any though. Just a lot of thundery sounds. The sky is really bright, much brighter than usual, just because of all the fireworks. I can hear a lot going on over there, some over there. Just this whole surrounding area. It's insane. Oh, I don't know if you saw that reflection. I think they just set off another one in the front. Ooh, see that boom? Okay, let me shut my door a little so it's not as loud. Shut up, geese! No, alright, can't see anymore. Well, that'll probably be the end of my video. I'll do one more clip, just maybe of up front. Alright, nothing else here. Ooh, I'm gonna record an informational speech.
I just got a text from Daryl like, we won, Mother Ducker.
Oh.
Typo?
I would assume so.
Bonnie says fireworks outside, pride inside. I'm very happy for you, Bossy.
And then, ended it with an interception.
Yeah, first team in NFL history to come from being down
You hear the
double
big ones
digit
going off?
3 postseason games that win. So you're a Super Bowl champion. And I guess I can ask, was there down at all? I know you got Patrick Mahomes over there, but down 10 with 9 minutes further.
I need to catch one more. It'll make me feel better. Nope. Okay. Oh well. I did get quite a few though. I'll see you guys later, alright? Bye bye.